Hey now, I just got this in the mail from Amazon. It's a VideoSecu wall mount for a flat screen TV, model ML531BE. This mount, it says it mounts most TVs 22-inch to 55-inch up to 88 pounds. And up to a VESA pattern of 400 millimeter, 100 to 400 millimeter. I have a 200 millimeter on my TV. It's an Emerson LC320EM2 TV, and the VESA pattern is are the mounting holes, and there's a certain standard distance that you would mount. Mine, like I said, is 200 millimeter. It's around 8 inches. So I unboxed it, and it seems like a very sturdy, well-built, articulating arm wall mount. This is the actual plate that mounts to the TV. The 200 millimeter that I'm going to be using, all I'd have to use is this plate. But if you go a greater distance, you have a bigger TV, and you go up to the 400 millimeter, you would mount these extensions on that plate, and then your TV would mount here in these slots depending on the distance between the holes. Here's the actual arm that mounts to the wall. There's the wall mount, and then it extends out, and here's the plate that tilts. That would mount the TV plate to it. There's a hook here, so you would mount this to the wall, then have this mounted on the TV. You would hook the TV with this hook on top here, and then install these two bolts or screws that I took out to secure the TV to the plate. The kit comes with a 10-foot HDMI cable and various screws and nuts and wrenches, spacers to install the unit. The installation instructions here shows you proper placement on a stud. You would mount it vertically on a stud. And there's the wall mount, or the back of the TV mount instructions. And then here's to install to a concrete wall. It appears to be a pretty straightforward installation. Pretty easy. One person's going to be able to do this. I'm going to figure out where to mount this and install it. Maybe do a video for that too. So anyway, I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. See ya. Here's the unit installed. Excuse the wiring and everything. I still have a lot to do to dress things up. I gotta upgrade my cable. But anyway, here's the bracket installed on the wall and the stud. There's 3 lag bolts, 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Real easy installation. Just find the stud and drill a pilot hole, and then bolt that bracket in. And you do that without this TV plate on there. You install the plate on the TV, and then you hang the bracket on the wall without the TV. Makes it easy. And then you hang the bracket on that hook that's on the mounted on the TV. Hang it on the hook, and then you put in these 2 little Phillips head screws right here. There's 1 on each side, and that secures the TV. This here is how you adjust the tilt. The TV swivels a little bit. Let me see if I can do this here. Swivels horizontally slightly, you know, for minor adjustments. I don't know. I didn't investigate mounting the TV in a vertical position. I imagine you would just mount the plate vertically and then you can hang the TV. Right now I have it hung in a horizontal position or landscape. Here's the other side. Real quick installation, easy. I think I did it in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can see right in here, there's these little spacers. The plate has square holes in it, and they have these little washers with little square raised parts on them to take up the slack of that square hole. So then you got a round hole to put your screw through and then screw it right to the TV. It's beautiful, real easy, one-person installation. Great product. It's super sturdy. This TV weighs about 17 pounds, and it's not moving. I mean, it jiggles around a little bit, but it's not going to fall off the wall. I completely trust it. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and good luck. I recommend it.